Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years. And this machine here is a Noble Speed Scrub Rider. The machine behind me is a Tennant T7. Now in this video series, we're going to show you tips and tricks that will either work for the Noble Speed Scrub Rider or the Tennant T7 to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Now a commonly replaced part on this machine is the side skirts. So the first thing you want to do to replace your side skirt, pull the cotter pin out of the guard block, push the guard block back, remove the skirt retainer. Now at this point, slide your side skirt out. Now a step further, if your skirt retainer is damaged, the next step would be to pull the rear cotter pin out and just take the retainer off the machine. Reverse the steps to install your new retainer. What you want to do first is get your new side skirt and retainer and put the side skirt on first. Then you can reinstall it onto the machine. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at usaclean.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.